everybody, my name is Marina and today we're going to talk about annoying noises. Okay, anyway, and by annoying noises I mean something like foot tapping, hand tapping, whatever this is. Okay, you get the picture. Whenever you're in school, that is what you hear like 80% of the time. I'm not kidding. And I am sorry to, I don't know, how do I announce this? I am one of those people. I know it is literally the most annoying thing you could do in school, but I do it, okay? It's something you can't really control. It just happens naturally. Sometimes I'll do this. I don't know what this is, okay? It kind of just calms me down. Or sometimes I'll just shake my leg a lot. I do that the most, like literally shaking my leg towards like the whole table or the whole desk moves. And I'm kind of like being a hypocrite when I say, oh, it's so annoying, stop doing that, but then I do it. So like, and it probably happens with a lot of other people also, whether in my case where they hate hearing it, but they do it, so. Or maybe even tapping your pencil on the desk. Sometimes I will do that also. Now I do not bite my pencil. That is something completely else, but I don't bite my pencil. I don't think that's, no. Like, usually you stop, but then you're just like, my leg really wants to move again, I can't, then I'll annoy her. It's very hard. What is this? This is like living with something else. Okay, I'm like over exaggerating obviously, but it's hard to manage with these things that won't control themselves. Literally, I am one that could just do this. And it's kind of natural, it just happens, I don't know. Honestly, when you think about it, the majority of people should be like us that do it. Like, they should do it also. Like, I mean, you can't avoid something that just happens naturally. Okay, so a little bit less severe. You can't exactly avoid breathing. You can't avoid coughing. It just happens. And this is something else that just happens. And I wish we could control it better, because it's annoying. It's annoying, and I do it. It's annoying. Everyone does it. It's annoying. Like, come on. It's very distracting also. Now, I don't exactly know what the point of this video was. What the point, like, there's no message. There's nothing. I just thought, you know what? This is something. Why not make a video about it? Because I do it. People do it. It needs to stop, but it can't stop. So why not make a video? Actually, when you think about it, there can kind of be a little lesson here. If someone taps, if someone shakes their leg, if someone does something with noises that are annoying, back off, okay? Like, yeah, okay, tell them, hey, we're taking a test, can you not do that? But don't go on ham on them. Like, they can't control that. And I need to learn that also, although I don't really tell people, like, harshly to stop. I just like, hey, can you, like, stop doing that? Like, you just need to be more chill around people that do it, because they can't control it. So if you're one of those that does it, don't worry, you're fine, you're not alone, obviously. And if you're one of them that just doesn't and they just get mad at those who do, calm down, you don't understand, okay? So yeah, I guess that was the video. I don't know, I'm trying to just, usually things that come up in my head, I'm like, hey, that's weird, that's different, I should make a video about it. Okay, so I guess that was the video. If you enjoyed, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like. And yeah, I guess you'll see you again in my next video. Bye!